How do I curb my teenager's screen time? He does not talk to anyone, doesn't join the family for meals, and is always locked in his room. He spends all his time chatting with friends, watching movies, or playing games.
Actually, this is, even though it may be a surprise to you, it is nothing but the modern equivalent of the age old parents' problem. Parents have tended to see what their teenage children, specifically sons, do as wrong. This has been the case since time immemorial. In fact, I remember reading a small excerpt from some of Plato's writings where he talks about how the new generation is completely out of line with the values that the older generation had. And it's written more than 2000 years back. The point is simple. Whether you say my child is outside the house and playing with his friends all the time and keeps staying away from all the things that he should be looking at as a responsible member of the household, or whether you see him inside a room using the internet to connect with people, again, it's basically the same tendency. The most important point to understand is you can never be part of a transformation unless you have accepted the situation as it is. If you can first completely understand why your teenage son is doing what he is doing, or at least be completely at ease with the fact that he is doing what he is doing, then and only then is it possible for you to be part of his transformation. Otherwise, you will continue to be somebody who is unhappy with how things are, and his transformation will still happen at the right time without any difficulty. But you will not see yourself as part of what helped him transform. That choice is only with you. But rest assured, unless and until you are able to see your son as not wrong, it is not possible for you to get out of the problem that you find yourself in.